How to fix blank white desktop shortcut icons in Windows 11 and 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So you have to just go to the Windows search bar and search for run command, or we can also type Windows plus R button, and after that click on enter and type app data from here and click on enter, and this folder will pop up, and you have to go to the view section from here and go to the show section and click on hidden items. You must check the hidden icons is clicked. So after that you have to go to the local folder from here, and you just have to scroll down to the bottom, and as you can see the icon cache here, you just have to simply delete this file from here and close the window, and then you just have to go to your task manager and look for the Windows Explorer, and after that you have to right click on it and click on restart to that, and then you can just see that your Windows shortcut is fixed right now. So that's it for this video. See you on the next video, guys.